Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. We're going to be looking at Jess Glynne's song, I'll Be There. This is nice and simple. We got 3 chords. There's no capo, yay. We just have E minor, C add 9, G, okay. Really basic, easy kind of beginner chords. So I'm just going to show you them quickly. We're going to keep this top fingers there for the whole song. So the only thing I really need to show you guys is the different rhythms throughout the song, alright? So if you know these chords, skip ahead. If you don't, if you want to look at them quickly with me, then stick with me. This first chord is E minor with the top, so it's more like an E minor 7 really. So we have open E at the bottom there. We got first finger, 2nd fret on the A string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 4th finger, 3rd fret. Okay, so just pause the video, work on that first. Then we have C add 9. So just keep those top 2 fingers there, by the way, the whole song. So from here we move the top, these 2 fingers are gonna move. Okay, so middle finger comes up to 3rd fret on the A string, and this first finger, 2nd fret on the D string, okay? And then the last chord, even easier, we're just gonna move these 2 up like that for G. So they're all very similar, E minor, C add 9, G. The only thing to watch out for is, for this C add 9 chord, you don't want the low E. So if you just kind of move this middle finger up a bit, so it's touching the string, it won't ring. And then you can just strum everything and you don't have to worry about the low E. Okay. Now, the kind of the first verse, we just have G chord. We just have the G chord, right? We're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now if you look on my right hand, well, we cover these rhythms. So all we're doing, guys, is down, up, slap, slap, down, slap, slap. For the slap, you strike through the strings, but you're also hitting with the bottom of your wrist just here. Okay, so nice and simple, right? Now, when we get to the chorus, that's when we add in these extra chords. So, I'll be there when you need a little love to share. So, for this part, we have down, up, slap, down, down, up, slap, down, down, up, slap, down, down, up, slap, down. Okay, so that's nice and simple. Now, when it gets to the second part of the chorus, we can make it busier. So, what I want you to do is strum constantly. So, just keep going down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But just emphasize down, up, down. Okay? Down, up, down, down, up. I want you to emphasize those ones. So in the middle of it. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so you're constantly strumming, but you emphasize down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and if you want to, you can add in those slaps. So it's down, up, slap, down, down, slap, up, down, up, slap, down, down, slap, up, down, up, slap, down, down, slap, up, down, up, slap, down, Okay, now when we get to verse 2, we can kind of do the same thing. So we say on the G, but this time, so remember in verse 1 we just played. So in verse 2, we're going to add in one more. So okay, so we do that for verse 2. And then the rest of the song is really straightforward because we could just literally just keep doing the same thing. We have another pre-chorus, chorus type thing, and then again it goes to the busy part. Okay, the only different part I should say is when we get to the bridge. So for the bridge, I keep it nice and simple. I just play down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Nice and quietly, and I pulse these fingers so that you can hear how it's short, jun, jun, jun. Can you see how I pulse these fingers in just so it keeps it short? You can also use this hand to kind of down, up, down. So when you're lost down the riverbed, when you're lost in the darkness, I'll be there when your heart is breaking. Okay, so the whole bridge, that's all I do. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know the vocals that well for the bridge, but that rhythm works, okay? And then you just come smashing straight into the chorus. That last chorus is just down, up, down. Okay, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Oh, yeah, I've got enough love to see. Never be alone, I'll be there for you. Okay, so I've made this song quite simple, just simple chords, and we just have a couple of rhythms to learn. Alright, so just take your time with each rhythm. When you feel comfortable, get the song up on YouTube or Spotify or whatever you like to use, and just play along. If you want to sing, obviously sing along too. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.